Have you ever stared at raw data and felt lost? What if I told you there's a simple tool that can reveal patterns, detect variation, and give instant clarity? Welcome to the world of histogram hacks. Let's visualize your data like a pro, in just minutes. Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. In today's video, we'll unlock the secrets of histograms. These aren't just charts. They're one of the most powerful tools in your Lean Six Sigma toolbox. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use histograms to analyze and improve any process. In this video, we're going to cover what is histogram, why histogram matters, how to create a histogram, a real-world example, common mistakes to avoid, and finally the conclusion. But before we dive in, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is a histogram? A histogram is a graphical representation of data distribution. It groups data into ranges, also called bins, and shows how often each range occurs. The height of each bar reflects the frequency. It helps answer key questions like, is the process consistent? Is it skewed? Is there a pattern? Why histogram matters. Histograms are quick to build and easy to read. They help spot variation, shifts, and outliers. If you want to understand the voice of the process, start with a histogram. It's essential in the measure and analyze phase of DMAEC. How to create a histogram? There are 6 easy steps available. Step 1. Collect continuous data. Use at least 30 data points for accuracy. Step 2. Identify the range of values. Step 3. Divide the range into equal width bins. Step 4. Count how many data points fall into each bin. Step 5. Plot the bins on the x-axis and frequency on the y-axis. Step 6. Analyze the shape. Bell curve, skewed, or flat. Now a real-world example of histogram. Imagine a factory measuring the time it takes to complete a process. Using a histogram, you notice most data points cluster around the target, but some fall far outside, indicating delays. These visual reveals problems faster than tables ever could. Some common mistakes to avoid. Avoid using too few or too many bins. Don't mix categorical data. Always label your axes, and never interpret a histogram without context. In conclusion, histograms are more than charts. They are a window into your process behavior. When used in a right way, they drive better decisions and deeper insights. Start using histogram hacks today and measure your progress. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Comment below with your thoughts on histogram. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for your valuable time, and I will see you in the next powerful video.